Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a new what I eat in a day. Yay! It's been way too long. Today I'm doing a special edition that will talk about what I eat in a day for healthy skin and hair. I get lots of questions from you guys because of my background in holistic nutrition, asking me about what can you do and what can you eat to make sure that your skin is glowing and your hair is shiny and long, Rapunzel vibes. There is a saying that says the way our skin and hair and nails look is an indication of how healthy we are and how healthy is our diet. There's a lot of foods out there that aggravating our body, inflaming our cells, and causing breakdown for collagen, elastin, and keratin, which is things that our hair and our skin and our nails need to make sure that they grow and look good. Absolutely love beauty products, and you know that I use so many of them, but this is where it starts. What you put inside your body really shows on your skin. Before we continue, I wanted to say a huge thank you to the Matcha Reserve for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. I'm sure you guys seen this brand on my IG posts and IG stories. You know that I'm a huge matcha fan, and this is where I get my matcha because I know that the quality is really good. Their quantities of everything is low to make sure that the quality of the product is high. I actually did a matcha 101 video. You guys can check it out here or there and learn more about it. Knowledge is power. I am a big fan of superfoods and things that I can add to really supercharge my smoothies and coffees and soups. And now that I'm not pregnant anymore, I can go back to trying out new ones. I got into this one lately, the Beauty Bomb. It's organic maca, organic blueberry, and marine collagen. The Matcha Reserve is actually a US based company, but it ships worldwide. So if you guys are looking to start incorporating different superfoods into your diet, you guys can check out the Matcha Reserve. And now let me show you what I eat in a day. I start my morning with a big glass of water. When I feel not as lazy, I'll add a squeeze of lemon. The whole lemon squeezing thing is a big commitment. So instead, I'll have 2 big glasses of water before I reach for my coffee or anything else. After my water, I'll usually go and brush my teeth, so I have a 30-minute break before I go into my breakfast. For breakfast, especially during the winter time, oatmeal is one of my favorite food to eat. It's something that's more comforting and warm. Oatmeal also reduces inflammation, which is great for anyone that is experiencing acne, and it's low on the glycemic index, which is great for your blood sugar. It's full of fiber, biotin, and other B vitamins, and the fact that it has so much fiber in it, it fills you up for way longer. I also like to add a little bit of coconut oil to my oatmeal. It gives a little bit of sweetness to it. Coconut oil helps to boost metabolism, and it's great to help balance hormones and help to absorb vitamin A and E, which are super essential for skin, hair, and nail growth. Then I'll top my oatmeal with some berries that are a great source of antioxidants. I'll mix chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds together in a Ziploc. I'll use that Ziploc and top like a lot of different dishes with this little mixture. You can put it into smoothies, you can put it on any acai bowls, on oatmeal, on porridges. You're getting an amazing supply of other vitamins and nutrients from these seeds. Around 10 a.m. I'm gonna go and get myself a little snack. Usually I will gravitate towards a smoothie because it's really easy to make and I am a smoothie girl. So my base for the smoothie is coconut water, which is great for hydration, and we know that hydration is key for beautiful skin. Then I'll add some spinach. Spinach is super high in antioxidants, in vitamin C, E, and beta carotene. Beta carotene helps with repairing cells in your skin. I'll add half a banana, frozen berries, and this powder that I'm super happy that I found, that is called the Beauty Bomb, and it has maca, blueberry powder, and marine collagen. Maca is a root that helps with calming your mind, boosting stamina, and helping with hormonal imbalance, which I definitely experience, especially post-pregnancy. It's a solid source of protein. Protein is key to getting healthy hair and nails, and it also has vitamin D and E, which helps to regulate collagen production. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the body, but it does slow down with age. It does help with promoting skin elasticity and just the overall look of the skin. It's not a quick fix. It's something that you want to keep taking, and that's when you see a difference. And then with the blueberry powder, blueberry is an amazing source of antioxidants, so that's definitely always good for our skin. And then for lunch, I went for a butternut squash soup. Butternut squash is a glow giver. It's an amazing source of beta carotene. Beta carotene converts to vitamin A, very important in repairing cells in our skin. And then for my second course, I know I'm fancy like that, I'll have a quick salmon that I just baked in the oven and some grilled veggies. Salmon is a source of omega-3 fatty acids that helps with skin and hair, their health and its moisture. And then we're getting to that 3/4 p.m. bad snack attack. I don't know about you, but I always experience that, especially during winter time. Our bodies burn so much energy to keep us warm, so we want to make sure that we keep supplying that energy in, form of food. And this time I decided to do a little experiment. I am a big savory person. I love anything that's crunchy and salty. So I decided to take my all-time classic favorite, that is the crunchy chickpeas that I usually make, and add a little kick to it with this Doritos seasoning. Chickpeas are a great source of protein, which we need, and it has an extra superfood that I feel like not getting enough attention, and that's the nutritional yeast. The nutritional yeast is something that I like to add when I want that cheesy flavor without using cheese. It is super rich in B vitamins that is very essential. It really helps with nerves and making sure that we feel calm and kind and not losing our Nutritional yeast can be used to add extra protein, vitamins and minerals and antioxidants to meals. In between, you have to keep hydrating yourself in the form of water or tea. Coffee does not count, my friends. For every cup of coffee, make sure you drink 2 glasses of water. And that brings us to dinner. For dinner, if you guys have watched any of my What I Eat in a Day, you know that I love simple and fast recipes. These bowls are always something I go for, especially when I'm very short on time to prepare dinner. So here I have brown rice and this sweet potato and black bean stuffing. This is actually kind of a vegetarian taco filling that I made the other night, so it's a leftover, but it works really well on its own. So I decided to add that. Black beans is a great source of protein, and a sweet potato, another great source of vitamin A. Top it with anything that you like. You can add corn, avocado, or guacamole if you feel fancy. Avocado is an excellent food to nourish and moisture your skin. And you can add some salsa, really whatever your heart desires. And then that brings us to dessert. On lazy nights, I'll have some chamomile tea just to finish my day in a very calm and balancing manner. If I want something savory, I'll go for some popcorn with some coconut oil and some sea salt. Or if I feel something sweeter, I'll go for dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is an amazing source of antioxidants and great for your skin. But you want to make sure that it is at least 70% dark. Don't eat 14 squares. Try to aim for 2 to 3. Listen, you gotta sacrifice for beauty. It is what it is. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day, and hopefully you learned something new that you can research and see if it fits into your lifestyle. Maybe some new ingredients that you've never heard about. Let me know if you like me to create this kind of What I Eat in a Day for also specific things like energy, brain health, things like that. I'm interested to hear what you have to say. And that's it. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna go eat my lunch now. Bye guys.